welcome to Bee Farm. Traditional raffia wheel. Ano weaving?
Dito pa.
It is more.
Oh, ano ilang pag-yun na ba? Napot sa batan, napot sila.
So they call it weaving pala. That's weaving, madam, no? Mahirap, hindi. Nice naman. Okay. Oh, look at her. Oh, okay. Galing naman ni ate. Ate is nice. Ito yung ano na finished product. Like this one. Traditional raffia weaving. Who's raffia, ate? Sino raffia?
Yung pangalan ng product namin.
Okay.
This product.
Raffia is pangalan ng the brand. Yung weaving ito. Okay. Very good. Look at this. So they have the art gallery. See here. This one. Very nice. Look. Nice ano. So I'm here in what's this? Bee Farm. Kasi yung guest namin is they are going to buy, some souvenirs here in Bee Farm. So they have also here ice cream production. That ice cream is organic there here in Bee Farm. So look at this, yung mga nakita nila sa beach. They make it as collections. Ito yung bilihan namin. Ice cream. We went there. So, yung mga kasama ko ay nasa loob. Yun sila. So, meron sila din dito. Okay. Yung mga naman, nagtatahi ng ang galing. Upcycled art by Pedro Amco. So, yung mga nagtatahi doon ng mga bags, I think. So, bags making pala yun. Bags. Nice. Actually, pabalik-balik na ako dito. So, briefing lang ito. Alright, thank you guys. So, I'm here in Bohol Farm. So, thanks for watching. Today is April 22, 2024 at the farm here in Bohol. Alright guys, that's it for now. Bye. God bless us all. God bless us all. Bye.